Good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Beau Dodson. It is about 2:20, and we have a severe thunderstorm watch here in yellow. Covers much of southern Illinois, southeast Missouri, down into the Boot Hill, and most of northeast Arkansas. This county here didn't fill in, but they are under a severe thunderstorm watch as well, including this one. We do have thunderstorms forming along a line, and this is in front of a cold front, and some of these storms could produce damaging winds, quarter-size hail, frequent lightning, heavy rain, and I can't rule out isolated tornadoes. Now, I do think this line of storms will continue to fill in as it moves off to the east. We don't really have a cap today, so the storms have already formed, and I don't think we're going to have the problem that we had during the last event where the cap kept storms from forming and the severe weather forecast didn't really verify. Today's a little bit different. We already have storms that have formed, and some of them are intense. Let's switch over to the Paducah, Kentucky National Weather Service radar, and you do see the thunderstorms lined up, almost moving into southern Illinois, Randolph County, a little bit to the north of there, already having some storms. No warnings on these yet, but there's a little bit of Beau there, so we'll keep an eye on that to see if high winds develop. And then the line stretches southward towards south central Missouri. You do see that red box. That is a severe thunderstorm warning out here. Now, this is outside of my forecast area, but they're about to move into my area. St. Genevieve, Perry County, Randolph County, those are in my viewing area, and then down to Bollinger into Butler, and then eastward. So what will happen later today is that the severe weather will spread eastward, and just because you're not in a watch box right now does not mean you won't be in one later. Do expect the National Weather Service or the Storm Prediction Center to add more counties to this watch. So just keep that in mind. Even though you may not be under a watch right now, we will have a severe weather risk all the way into this evening, and maybe ending around 8 or 9 o'clock, moving off to the east of the Pennyroyal area. But before then, the line should fill in, continue moving east-northeast, and some severe weather warnings are possible. Remember, a watch means that conditions are favorable for severe weather, and a warning means to seek shelter because a storm is occurring or on the way into your county. A warning is the one that you want to take action with. Also, if you haven't signed up for the app and text notifications, please do so at www.weathertalk.com. And we have switched to a $5 flat subscription fee, and that's up to 7 phones. So we've changed it a little bit. We had a $3, $5, and $10 tier, but now it's just $5 for 7 phones. A really great deal. Make sure you turn on Weather One, the first app text notification in your personal notification settings. That's the one for severe thunderstorms and tornadoes. And then there's 3 more options that you can look at as well.